everyone, welcome back to the channel Biotech Net Anki. Today we are finally wrapping up this chapter and getting ready to move on to the next one. But before that, let's take a quick revision through a biotechnology in India, from its origin and government initiatives to fellowships, exams and a booming industry we see today. So let's dive in. The story of biotechnology in India begins with the establishment of its first companies. The Serum Institute of India, founded in 1960, became one of the world's largest vaccine producer. Later in 1978, Biocon was set up, which went on become a global leader in enzymes and pharmaceuticals. Recognizing the potential of biotechnology, the government of India took important steps. In 1982, the National Biotechnology Board was constituted. By 1986, this board was upgraded to Department of Biotechnology. We called it now DBT. Under the Ministry of Science and Technology, the Department of Biotechnology play a key role in supporting young minds and researchers in India. Scholarships after 10+2 and post graduations in the area like agriculture, neuroscience, genetics and marine sciences are provided. The DBT-JRF Junior Research Fellowships to support doctoral research in biotechnology and life sciences, and the DBT-RA or a Research Associateship for postdoctoral studies. Along with these competitive exams like CSIR NET, GATE, DBT, BAT, ICAR JRF and ICMR JRF serves as a gateway for fellowships and research career, helping students build a strong future in biotechnology. The Indian biotechnology industry is one of the fastest growing sector in our country. Today, India proudly stands among the top 12 biotechnology power in the world, and in the Asia Pacific region it holds third position when it comes to industrial biotechnology infrastructure. Back in 2017, Indian biotech companies generated revenue of nearly 11.6 billion US dollar, and the number of biotech companies had risen to more than 800. That's massive growth. The industry itself is divided into few key segments: biopharma, which take a lead contributing 64%, the bioservices, which around 18% shares, bioagriculture contributing 14%, and bioindustry at 3%, and bioinformatics with 1%. Among the biopharma is clearly the giant, but the India has also made a remarkable progress in bioagriculture. In fact, India has the fourth largest area in the world covered by genetically modified crops. Out of nearly 11.57 million hectares, the majority is dominated by BT cotton, a crop that has transformed Indian agriculture. So, Indian biotech industry is not just growing fast, it's reshaping healthcare, agriculture and the economy, making India a true global player in the biotechnology. The biopharma industry is the backbone of India biotechnology sector. It's mainly focused on vaccine manufacturing and exporting them in huge quantities across the globe. Along with vaccine, India also produces diagnostic and therapeutics at a large scale, making it a global hub for affordable healthcare solutions. Indian biotech companies have built a strong expertise in developing recombinant products. Some of the most important one includes hepatitis B, human insulin, GCSF, erythropoietins, human growth hormones, and interferon alpha 2b. A big milestone came when Bharat Biotech launched Rotavac, the first indigenous vaccine to fight rotavirus, which caused diarrhea. The government has also encouraged collaboration between public and private companies to boost research and development. For example, in 2060, BIRAC DBT partnered with Department of Electronics and IT DET, we call it DET, to promote innovative technology in the medical electronics sector. Today, biotechnology in India not just about science, it's an industrial hub refining the economy of the nation. With over 800 biotech companies and several biotechnology parks established in collaboration with government, India now offers world-class infrastructure for a high-end research and innovations. Biopharma has truly put India on a global map as a leader in the affordable medicines and cutting-edge biotech solutions. The biopharma industry of India is best known for one thing: vaccines. The India in India is the world largest producer of recombinant hepatitis B, measles vaccine, and DTP vaccine. D for diphtheria, T for tetanus, and P for pertussis. We call it whooping cough. So, one vaccine against three diseases. The Serum Institute of India has given us incredible breakthrough like the world only adsorbed liquid HDC rabies vaccine and India's first MMR measles, mumps and rubella vaccine called Trasivac. So Trasivac is also one vaccine against three diseases: measles, mumps and rubella. Here's a mind-blowing fact: 1 out of every 2 children in the world has been vaccinated with a vaccine made in India, and these vaccines are exported to more than 140 countries including UNICEF and Pan America Health Organizations. Some of the most reputed vaccine producer in India are Serum Institute of India, Bharat Serum and Vaccines, Panacea Biotech, GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals and Biotech. Biotech. India is also investing in future vaccines. In 2016, Sun Pharmaceuticals signed a Memorandum of Understanding, we called it MOU, with the International Center of Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology ICGEB to develop vaccine against all stereotypes of dengue virus. And of course, India was among the first few countries to develop vaccine against COVID-19. Our very own Covaxin, India's first indigenous COVID vaccine, was developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited, Hyderabad, in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. From traditional vaccine to cutting-edge innovations, India's vaccine industry is not just protecting its own people, it's protecting the world. Beyond vaccines, India's biopharma industry is making a huge study in the therapeutics. From stem cell research and monoclonal antibodies to cell engineering and growth factors, India is leading innovations. Did you know India is the world's largest producer of statin and immunosuppressant, medicines that saves millions of lives? Statin clean cholesterol to protect heart, while immunosuppressant calms the immune system to save transplanted organs, and India's lead the world in making them. In 2015, India launched INSUPEN, a affordable reusable insulin delivery device. Then in 2016, India Rosuvastatin tablet, which lowers the bad cholesterol and protects the heart from heart attack and strokes, became the first genuine formulation to earn European approval. India also play a big role in global health, providing nearly 80% of antiviral drugs for AIDS worldwide. Plus, Panacea Biotech was chosen by WHO to develop a novel polio vaccine. Polio vaccines are of two types. One is injectable and the other is oral drops. In India, it's a famous slogan, "Do boon jindagi ki." Okay, so this is for oral vaccines. These vaccines protected millions of children and helped India become a polio free. Now, let's understand how biotechnology is helping in the agriculture sector. The Indian hybrid seed industry is growing fast at 10 to 17% every year, with BT cotton leading the way. In 1998, Monsanto established a research center for plant genomics in India. That same year, DBT approved BT cotton for cultivation. Since then, BT cotton has become a dominant, holding a 45% shares in the Indian hybrid seed industry. And looking forward, India has the potential to become a major producer of transgenic rice, genetically modified crops, and hybrid vegetables. Among genetically modified rice varieties, blight resistant rice, Samba Masuri, developed through a marker assistant backcrossing, tolerant against flood, drought, and salt. For maize, GM hybrid with higher protein and more provitamins. For wheat, bred wheat with a high yield and more micronutrients are being developed. These innovations show how biotechnology is shaping the future of Indian agriculture. India has always been known for its brilliant minds. But did you know that this talent is powering a whole new sector called bioservices? From drug discovery to clinical trials, India has become a go to hub for research because of its skilled workforce, affordable cost, and global reach. International giants like Quintalis works here along Indian leaders like GVK Bio, Jubilant Biosys, and Advanis. Together, they are tuning India into a research engine of Asia. And that's the end of this chapter. The next topic will be start soon. So stay tuned. If I made any mistake, feel free to correct me. Learning is always two-way. And if you have any doubt, just drop them in a comment box. I will be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for listening me.